Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae, and in today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are trying on a huge selection of Shein earrings. Okay, I went ham because I have a lot of vacations coming up this summer, so I figured let's just get some new accessories, specifically earrings, because I'm an earring type of girl. I love earrings, but I just realized that I didn't have enough popping like statement earrings, so that's what I went ahead and splurged on. Now if you don't know, I'm gonna put a little screen recording right here. Shein earrings are so affordable, and then, you know, every time you check out on Shein, they have like tons of coupon codes, so I basically pay like 50 cents per earring if you really want to get technical, because my entire cart was, I believe, 25% off, and majority of these earrings were less than $3. It was $3 or lower, so 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, it was a pretty affordable penny, you know. So I bought a lot because I'm like, if it's so affordable, why not? So here are all of the earrings, and I'm just gonna go through them one by one and show you guys, so you guys can go ahead and see which ones you like, and then you can go shop too. Now these are not obviously real gold or silver, so be careful if you're like allergic to certain types of earrings. I personally don't have those type of issues, so we're gonna get into it. So without further ado, keep on watching. If it's your first time watching, please go ahead and make sure that you subscribe to your girl's channel. Okay, I have a goal that I need to hit by the end of this year, so you subscribing will definitely help me hit that goal. Anyways, enough talking, let's try out these earrings, try it on, show you guys, and rate it how I like it. I'm gonna rate it by heaviness, sturdiness, and obviously style. All right, so here are the first pair of earrings. It is a nice gold little number here. Let's go ahead and try it on. All right, so far I like the packaging. It is very like secure with the little, there's like a little cushion. I don't understand why I've never worn earrings like this. Like, this is totally my style. All right, so off the rip, these earrings are definitely heavy, they're sturdy, and I do like the style. This definitely gives me like a more grown look. A lot of the earrings that I typically wear are like little hoops or little studs, but this one, it definitely elevates like me looking like a grown woman. As you can see, I really like this style on me. This actually goes really nice with this black top. It just like really like classy and sophisticated. I'm gonna give this I'm gonna do a 0 out of 5. I'm gonna give this a 5. I like it. It's heavy, but it's not like drawing my ears down, but it is definitely a vibe. All right, next we have these orange and blue little earrings. Okay, I'm glad I saw that. So the little earring backs are not on the earring, they're at the bottom of the bag, so I'm glad I kind of caught that. And they actually gave me extra. There's like 4 in there, and obviously I only needed 2. So I need to get like a little container to put the extra ones in. All right, so off rip, I love the way these feel. They're very lightweight. They're kind of like a 10 type of material, but it's not heavy, and it's super soft. Like whatever paint or texture type of thing is on it, it's like a soft, I don't know what you call this. It's like a soft matte. So this is what it looks like up close. Orange with blue, really very tropical. I have the perfect outfit for this already. Let's put these on. I like these a lot. I do. These are cute. I'm gonna give these a 5 out of 5. Super cute, very tropical. What you think, guys? I like these a lot. These are really cute. You like these? 5 out of 5. So I'm gonna put it right back in the container. All right, so here are the next pair. These are green and gold. Let's go. That's so nice. It has little, I don't know if the camera's not gonna pick it up, but there's the little clear earring backs, as well as the one that's already on the earring, which is really nice because we always need earring backs. At least I do. Ooh, this feels really pretty and nice. Like it's that soft matte again. I don't know what they call this. I don't know how they make it, but they're doing a really good job. I like this a lot. This is probably gonna be one of my favorites. Definitely. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, this goes perfect with my outfit. Oh, I have to bring this tonight. Oh my goodness. This goes perfect. I'm wearing it with this black top and the green skirt over there. Oh my gosh, let me show y'all real quick. It's right here. Look at that. It is literally the exact same green in style. Ugh. I'm glad I went ahead and opened these up now because I'm gonna need them before I finish packing. So this is the earring we love. I love. Why do I always say we? This is definitely a 5 out of 5. I would give this a 10 out of 10, but I said I'm rating to a 5. So pretty. Absolutely in love. And then I got the same one in red. So you already know it's about to be another 5 out of 5, baby. 11. We have 11 more. So in total, I bought 14 pairs of earrings. So here is the red one. Same as the green one. It does not have the extra earring backs, which is okay. But it is just like the green one. Very, very cute. I love this. Ah! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Y'all see how beautiful these are. Let me zoom in a little bit. Perfectly. Perfect. And these are super lightweight, which I really like because it looks like it might be a lot. It's like 4 little leaf type of thing. But this is a super lightweight earring. Absolutely love this. Next we have this orange and pink little duo tone. It's three types of colors. A light orange, a orange, and then a pink, a hot pink. This is such a beautiful like summer earring. I just think it's so cute. It's like a little chain. Look at that, so pretty. I love that. And it's again that same soft matte. Shein, y'all really do the thing, okay? Y'all do the thing. I'm not mad, I ain't. Ugh, I have so many outfits for this too. Look at that, 3 different colors. Just so cute. I like this a lot. This is cute with your hair up, with the little beach dress. This is really, really cute. What y'all think? I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. I don't think there's anything I'm not gonna like because I specifically picked them out based off of like the style that I want. So I don't think there's gonna be one that I don't like. This is super soft, like a soft material. It feels like nothing in your ear. Love this. 5 out of 5. Easy. All right, next we have a little cute little gold hoop situation. All right, so this is what they look like. It's very different. It's just like cute little gold ones. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 5 only because it's kind of like hard to tell where the opening is, and you just like open it and just put it through. It's not like a, you know, it's just a different situation. I still like the earrings very much, but it's just different. They're not heavy. Yeah, so this is what they look like. I like them. They're really cute. I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 5. Ooh, these are cute. Oh yes. Talk about class. Yeah. This is a classy little earring right here. This is giving grown and sexy, hair pulled back, all black, little black dress. This is really cute. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. You know, it's just so cute. And then that little gap just adds a little touch. I don't know, it's just different. I like it a lot. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. See some of this white. Honey, I got quite a few white ones because white is a really slept on color in the summertime, I think. So I did get a lot of white to just encourage me to wear more white in the summertime, you know. So this is what they look like. Like, how cute is that? So cute, right? Let's put this baby on. Okay. I like this. This is really pretty. It's giving me like a pretty girl vibes, like tea party or brunch, going to church, you know, going to see his mom, stuff like that. This is just a cute little earring. I wear it to like a day party, a daytime girls party. I like this a lot. 5 out of 5. And that one is a different type of material. It's like a, it kind of reminds me of like, it reminds me of like pottery. I know that sounds weird, but it's not like a regular texture, if you will. I'm not sure how to explain it very well, but it is definitely a different type of texture that I'm not 100% like used to. They stay in the white family. This one doesn't have any extras. Okay, so I can kind of get rid of the plastic. If it has like the extra earring backs, I'm kind of keeping the plastic for a little bit until I take all of them out later. But here are these next ones. These are different. These are them. They're not movable. They're just like a stay on type of earring. Oh, this is so pretty though. It's definitely like, you definitely have to wear an earring back with this one. Otherwise it will slip off. This one's different. I like it though. It's nice. This is a very, very pretty earring. Again, I would wear my hair up and back away from my face so that you can really see the earring, but I like it. I like the color. I like that it's like a bright white. It's not heavy. It's super lightweight actually. So yeah, I do like this a lot. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. All right, let's go into this one. This is the only box or like package that actually says Shein on it, which is kind of funny, but I am going to keep this Ziploc bag for future reference, future use. Yeah, this is the only one that actually says the words Shein on it. Oh no, there's only 2 that are actually like Shein brands, so just pointing that out there if anybody cares. Okay, so this is a really pretty little hot pink little thing. Are my ears getting tired? What's happening here? Yeah, I like this. These are cute little pink flowers. Cute. What's not to like about it? I like this a lot. Really cute. 5 out of 5. All right, let's get into it. We're almost done. 1, 2, we have 3 more after this one. Ooh, bling bling. All right, so here are the next pair. Very blingy, very like, ooh, yeah. You can wear this with a lot. You can wear this with blue, green, red, gold, pink, aqua. There's a lot of different colors in here, so you can pick like which like color you want to stand out the most based off of this earring and put that in your outfit, which is really, really nice. I like that. Very versatile, very like, you know, there's like a wide range of outfits that you can wear with this. You can wear this with all white, you can wear this with all black. You could do whatever you want with this one. I like this. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. It's not that heavy, but it definitely has some weight to it. But it's not like you're gonna rip your ear off. I don't think. All right. Next, let's keep that same energy. That's why I won't be putting it back in there. So this is kind of like the very first one I showed, but this is like a smaller rose gold version. I figure let me get some rose gold because rose gold is actually my favorite color jewelry to like wear. As you can see, my engagement ring is rose gold. My charm bracelet is rose gold. That's like my favorite color jewelry to like purchase with gold. Are my ears tired? I like this one. Very similar to the first one. Lightweight, not heavy, but it is sturdy. Yeah, I like this a lot. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. Very cute, especially when I have like rose gold accessories all over, like my earrings, my necklace, my ring. That's really nice. I like this. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. All right, so the second to last one, we have another one that actually says Shein on the packaging. This is a black and white flower. Okay, so this is like the other flower white one, but this is obviously duotone, black and white. Okay, I think my ears are tired. I feel like this is getting harder and harder to put them in. I only got 2 more, baby. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty right there. These are really cute. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. You can obviously wear this white, black, and gold. This would be really cute with the all white dress with like black accessories or something like that. Like, this is really pretty. I like this a lot. I like this. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5 easily. I don't think there's one that I haven't liked, because again, I purchased these earrings based off of my style, so I kind of knew ahead of time the type of looks that I was going for, so it wasn't really so hard for me to find good ones, because I only picked the ones that I think I would actually wear. So obviously when you're doing your shopping, make sure you pick things that you would wear. Everybody's not gonna like flowers, everybody's not gonna like little leaf looking things, but that's what I like. So just do you, okay? All right, so this is the last one. Ooh, these are long. Okay, so something that I am noticing, these little earring backs that are at the bottom, they are, let me try to show you guys, they're tinted blue. The only thing that is blue is these earrings, so that means that these earrings may like transfer. The color may transfer onto like your clothing, so be careful. This is the first one that has done something like that. I have a lot of colors, and this is the only one I've seen that did that, so that's just a good thing to take note of if you want these specific earrings, that the blue seems to be transferable. Even the card that it came on, it has like little blue dots on it. You see that? It has like little blue dots on it, so just be careful. That may mean that it will transfer on your clothes, or it may not, so we don't know. But I just want to point that out to y'all. I wouldn't wear this with like white or anything, but this is a nice earring. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This is definitely a vibe. This is definitely vacation right here. I love the blue. I love the tone of it. It's not like just royal blue. It's like a different type of, I don't know. It has like a thing that it does like in the light. I don't know what it's called, but I don't know how to word that, but it does something. It definitely does something in the light. But yeah. So I got all my little extra earring backs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 extras. So I'm gonna put that in my jewelry boxes. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I am super excited to be rocking these earrings. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see how I style these earrings with my outfits. Thank you guys again. None of them were like super heavy, so you don't have to worry about that. But again, if you are like allergic to like a lot of like faux material, fake material, just be careful. Obviously, I think you should know that by now. If you're allergic to stuff, that you shouldn't get them. But I'm not. I don't have like ear allergies to like non-real jewelry, so that's why I don't mind. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna give my ears a rest, child.